Hi guys, всем привет! Welcome to my kitchen, Alla's Yummy Food. I'm Alla, the host of this show, and today I want to show you one of my favorite recipes and one of the most requested recipes as well, is how to make salted caramel from scratch. It's super easy. There's just few technical things that you need to know while making your caramel so it doesn't go wrong, but you know, you just have to practice a few times. And I'm not gonna lie, I've messed this up so many times myself, so if it doesn't work out the first time, don't be down, just start from scratch and make it again. But I hope my video tutorial will help you and show you step by step how to make it, and then you can use this caramel in any sort of cakes, fillings, toppings, on pancakes, in desserts. Basically just eat it with a spoon. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you never miss a new video. And now let's get started. In a pan, add your water and sugar and combine it together over the low heat and stir it until the sugar has dissolved. And then we're going to add more heat and allow it to boil. If you don't want the bits of sugar caramelizing, just use a wet brush and just brush it around and cook the sugar syrup until it turns into caramel. This depends on your timing, so just keep brushing around and watching the caramel. Once you're happy with the color of the caramel, take it off the heat immediately. Then we're going to add the cream. And the mixture will start to bubble and hiss like an angry snake. Don't worry about it, just keep whisking and it will calm down. Then we're going to add the butter, 1 cube at a time, and just keep whisking until it is incorporated and you have finished all your butter. You can add the salt because it's salted caramel, but you can also opt out. The caramel should be nice and smooth, and then put it into a jar and it will store in a fridge for a long time. And you can use it any single time for any filling that you like. And I hope you watch my salted caramel macaroons soon, which will have this delicious filling. Just look at this creamy, beautiful color, and I can gently eat this from a jar with a spoon. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Check out all my other videos, and the salted caramel macarons are coming very, very soon on my channel.